Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how we can tag or mention someone in your boards on Miro. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your board presentation on Miro. And what you want to do, guys, is access the given element. For example, like a shape or a text box where you'd like to tag or mention someone. You can do this with elements and items on your board, but you can do this as well with comments. So let me show you option number one with these text boxes and shapes. Let me go with that element here, of that mind map here or diagram, click into the given element, double click into the text, and now you can add your custom text to it. So what you want to do is simply press add, and after that you will see a list of users that are within your team here on Miro, so that you may, for example, select them. There you go, to tag them. As you can see now, they have been tagged within that text here. Now let me remove that because I don't want to tag anyone here in that text box. Another option, guys, would be to simply add comments to a given element on your board and to tag someone through that comment. So what you want to do is select the given element. Let me this time go with that circle here. Select it with your left mouse, click into comment here from that customization toolbar. And after that, simply add your comment, like for example, test 1, 2, 3. And after that, you may use the same method. Simply add the add button or symbol and select the user from your list to tag the given user. Press or click into this button here to post your comment. And there you go. As you can see, the given user has been tagged within that comment, guys. So you can access that comment. You can also move that comment here outside your element. And every time you click into or hover your mouse into your comment, you would see the mentioning here in that small text box next to it. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.